Welcome to Geopointers, a video series highlighting key GeoPoint functionality. Today we will focus on the financial services sector and potentially how we can manage territories within GeoPoint itself. You can see here I'm in Florida and I've actually created two territories across Florida, one for North counties, one for South counties. And in addition to that I can run a search of my accounts data across those two shapes using our shape search. Once I have that information on the map, I can switch to my layer manager to actually understand a little bit more about those two territories. So you can see here that there's a slight mismatch into how those two territories have been split up. The southern counties specifically have far more accounts associated with them, 60 in this instance, and then there's a roll up of the amount of fees we're getting from those accounts, and also AUM as well. So there might have been a potential decision made by our executive team to carve this up a little bit more and make it a little bit more equally distributed. You can see from the bottom of Florida that potentially the problem lies around the Miami area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve out the bottom counties and create a new Miami territory out of those counties. So I select the edit function. I can select our quite handy minus lasso tool and cut out those bottom counties quite simply. Save that change. Then I can select new within the tool, go to Geopoint shape library. I'll give the new territory a name. Base the shape on counties as with the other two territories, and I use the opposite lasso to pull in those bottom counties. Once we save that, we'll see when we jump back to our layer manager that these three territories are a little bit more equally distributed. And the final piece of the puzzle is to remap all these accounts to the appropriate new account manager. We can do that directly from the map. If I actually select on the shape itself, you can see our actions framework resides here, and then from the Miami Metro I actually change ownership, and I can seek a new owner, hit change owner, and almost by magic all the accounts within that territory will be moved to the appropriate ownership. Thanks for stopping by. We hope this video has been useful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, where you will find more helpful tips and tricks.